Some rain for later on tonight, but now, as the National Weather Service and meteorologists will categorize it, this will occur during meteorological fall because now we're in September. And that begs the question, how did the rain look over the summer months? Obviously, there was a drought, and we get a new drought report out in just a few short hours. But if we remember June, first half of June, it didn't rain at all. June, we only saw, and these numbers are for Rochester, about 1.5 inches of rain. Normally, we see 5.5. That's why that drought worsened so much in June. July was actually about average, and if it wasn't for the rain we saw last week, August would have been probably around average too. But then we got almost 4 inches of the rain we saw in August just last Thursday and last Friday. So August ended up being well above average, and that's part of the reason why we might be really looking at this new drought report out, again, due in just a few short hours, be having some really good news for us, as I suspect it will. Temperatures currently in the mid-50s across the area. You're stepping out the door, you want a jacket, and maybe later this evening you want a rain jacket because, like I said, I'm checking more chances for rain moving in. Winds out of the southeast currently 5 to 10 miles per hour. This afternoon up to 15 miles per hour, so it could occasionally get a little gusty. But aside from that, what you're going to notice today is just how cloudy it is. We haven't had a good, just totally cloudy day in a while. You'll see the sunshine a little bit this morning from the east. We look west, what's coming our way? A lot of clouds, a lot of rain spread across the Dakotas and Nebraska. And funny enough, this is actually the remnants of its own hurricane. We were talking about the remnants of Ida earlier. That moved from the Louisiana coast towards New York City, created some crazy flooding. There was also tornadoes in the northeast. The remnants of Nora, which was a Category 1 hurricane into Mexico, that is much, much weaker. It had to, it was just a weaker hurricane, but it also had to cross a desert and a bunch of mountains. It's not doing as hot. So what we're expecting today is nothing like what we saw in the northeast. Instead, it's really just cloudy skies during the second half of the day, and we got some late chances for rain moving in. You can see that right here. 4 p.m. in our SkyTracker 3 computer model, temps in the low 70s. We look west of 35 at 4 p.m. People are getting off work. That's where we're going to see the rain first. So if you're in places like Albert Lea, Forest City, Owatonna, or places further west of there, Mankato, that's when, around 4 p.m., you could start to see some rain showers and storms moving in. Gradually, those rain showers and storm chances increase and they move further east towards around this evening. Overnight, it's on and off showers, a couple of storms into parts of Friday morning. Otherwise, Friday, it remains cloudy. It's cooler, high temps only in the mid-60s. And it's just on and off rain. It's kind of a dreary, drizzly, rainy day. Occasionally in the morning, it could rain a little bit harder than at other times. Some of that carries into Saturday morning, but then you're probably like, I want to get outside for my Labor Day weekend. Don't worry, guys. You can, because during the afternoon, Saturday, Sunday, and Labor Day Monday, it's looking pretty nice. It gets sunny late in the day Saturday. Sunday, it's sunny. Monday, it's sunny. Temps are comfortable, low to mid-70s.